Yo, Kevin, what's up? Every time I call you, not getting through, so not really here. Just a heal up, you know, technology. Let's see if this bloody thing works. So, you know, I'm gonna come up. Send me a ticket, you know, something. Play some football. You know, how's that going anyway? Still playing with the side? Oh, I still play football every Saturday. The regular guys not attending as regularly as they should, so I end up playing with some juveniles. Man, they're dangerous to play with because they like the playing for money, life. This is just a test, so let's see if this can actually record.